There we go. Come here, kitty. Thanks, Gozer. Appreciate your time. That's a good kitty. Yeah, he likes it. He likes getting messed with. Don't sweat it. Hey, welcome, YouTube. Little bit of a false start there. Thought I had messed up my audio levels. Watched the video back. Seems like we're good. So I didn't miss much on the stream. We rolled the dice on the gift with purchase list to determine what we'd be building today. We're going to be starting with the pirate ship playground. Later on in the stream, we're going to be watching to the dried flower centerpiece, so keep an eye out for that video as well. But yeah, we're ready to get started on this little guy here. So we got our drink all lined up. Ate some cereal. So we're going to try to do a little longer stream today. Keep a box or something like this. I guess I am going to. I don't know. They put, you know, limited edition all along the box here, and like, this isn't a set that I think is very likely to be a permanent part of my collection. Probably gonna be interested in selling this at some point. Can't imagine the resale value on this is going to be particularly high, so maybe there's a world in which we end up keeping it just because, you know what, if we can only get $5 out of it, then that might not be really worth it to us to go through the hassle of shipping it and everything like that. But who knows? Who knows? I like that this kind of has the same energy as the cosmic cardboard set. I kind of like the idea of a display where like the cosmic cardboard kid is paired with the Galaxy Explorer, and this is paired with the 3-in-1 pirate ship, which are all sets I have. Definitely could see a version of, like, you know, a little display where the sets with the kids are playing and daydreaming, and then make like a frame that's like a thought bubble, like you'd see in a cartoon or a comic, you know, and then display the larger sets inside of those thought bubbles, something like that. It was kind of an idea I was kicking around with the Cosmic Cardboard Galaxy Adventure or Galaxy Explorer combo, and this would kind of fit that mold as well. But before we get too carried away in our big plans for the future, let's go ahead here and see what she looks like built here. You know, we'll hold on to the box for this for now, at least. So, starting with bag number 1, as per usual. Happy birthday at the pub. I think we can probably skip happy birthday here. All right. A few smaller pieces here. Let's see where we're starting out. Starting out with the minifigure. Just one expression for our kids here. Gozer, what are you doing? What are you doing under there? You're silly. Got our little kid legs here. Oops. Gentle. I've heard the little kid legs can cause cracking along the torso. Some people say, like, you know, don't even display them like built or whatever, but like, I don't know, I can't imagine this minifigure's ever worth more than a couple bucks. That might only even then be to a very specific person. That would be hard to find. I think an online large retailer of Legos is gonna have a better time finding a home for their stuff than we kind of ever could here. Okay, so I'm gonna have studs facing out both sides here. Like so. Go ahead and cap these off, get a little stability going. My guess is this probably becomes our boat here. Ultimately, Kitty, why are you mad? Do you want your table? Do you want your table to sit on? What? Is that where you sit? Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Spent the night over at my partner's place last night, so he's being a little persnickety today. Hasn't gotten the attention that he deserves. But I'm gonna be here. Be here for a while today, so he'll get his time. He'll get his time to shine. Okay. Keep building out our base here. Okay. I like the very colorful blocks getting with this set here. That is quite nice. Okay. So we're studding on top piece. Yeah, if you're just gonna cannibalize this set for parts, there's definitely some decent in here. Nothing like supremely desirable, but I think there's enough going on that you can be pretty happy with just dissolving it into your parts supply. I can't remember when I got this one. This was like it just also also ran came at such a time where I was eligible for it, with all the other stuff I was getting as well. And I don't recall what that was. I'd have to go back and look at my Lego account and see. But it's always nice getting little bonuses like this, you know. Give us something else to build on the stream and then do whatever we like with it later on. kitty some pats every so often. Here. He deserves them. Alright, so we got studs not on top here and here to hold this in place, so nice and secure. Which is good. Very good. These black rings are supposed to be like life preservers or something. Portholes, maybe? Could be portholes. Okay. There we go. Bottom of this little ring that our slide is going to come through here, like so. Oops. Okay, there we go. Whee! Kids can slide down it. With the sword seems a little dangerous. Maybe I should have taken the sword out of their hand before sending them on their way here. Certainly something to keep in mind for next time. Okay, with the little ladder here. You know, kid climb their way up these things. An actual ladder here. Wait. Hide the mold holes in the back here. Oops. Oh, we missed a page. Well, good news is I didn't miss much. Did miss something that made me build that wrong, though, so worth knowing about, certainly. Alright, and then we're supposed to put on, and then we put this on. Okay. Groovy. Let's see. Okay. This is like a rock climbing wall style side here. Something like that. With all these little multicolored ink pots. And you could actually, because these are able to be held in a minifigure's hand, you could, if you made a bigger rock climbing wall out of this, you could have an actual display with your minifigures climbing up something there. Might be able to get it going here. Like, get the sword out of their hand here, and yeah, there you go. Climbing. In fact, there you go. Even got a foot on the foothold, and it's pretty cool. Nice little amount of play features in the set for our kids here. That's nice. Okay. Building up that ring. Get these boat color. Everything's feeling nice and secure. spilled my pieces there. Alright, let's see here. Building up our sand here. Go. Kitty. It's not visible. There you go. You're on the internet, kitty. How do you feel about that? No. I guess he didn't like it. Alright. Prefers anonymity. I respect it. I respect it. A little bit of a color inconsistency in there. Can't even see it on the camera. Yeah, it's probably not a big deal then. Okay, we got these guys right here. Very good. And I think that's bag number 1. Certainly is. Get into the second and final bag here. Get our octopus built. Get a friend for our kid to play with here. That's nice. Start with that. You get a feather in the cap, kid, or nope? Just a regular old pirate hat. Well, we get a couple extra swords, cutlasses out of the mix here. That's nice. There's our other kid. And we got a nice treasure chest here. Got a couple gold ingots and jewel to put in here. They got some considerably nice treasure for being little kids. And we got, oh, what do we got here? We got a golden frog on the prow of the ship here. Right here. Sorry, Pearl. Okay. Back of the ship here. It's getting just capped off like so. Oops. Break the entire build. Yada yada. Okay. Let's see. Get to work on our crow's nest here, it looks like. Is that right? That is not right. There we go. There we go. Oh. Oh my. Okay, so these are going to form the rungs of a ladder. Get some studs on the other 3 sides here with these guys. Put our crow's nest right at the top. Fix this right up here. Pretty dangerous. Dangerously high for the kids here. But we won't be a helicopter parent. We're gonna let them play here once we're done building. All right. Rest of our ring here. Looks pretty cool. And let's see here, we got a little mast here, so we can steer our playground. Oh no, this is the mast. What's the term I'm thinking of? The steering wheel. What's the steering wheel on a ship called? Can't remember. What did I just do to Burrow? Well, this is the mast. Oh, interesting. Okay, so we've got like kind of gear things. Yeah, alright. Very interesting. Never seen this element before. But we do have gears. And one of them is going to be home to a cute little octo here. Studs everywhere. Okay. Start to smooth it out here. Get our nice round octo. Nice and round and friendly looking. Oops. Give him a little face here. Eyes. If you have them inverted, they look angry, but if you put them like this, they look silly and happy. Whoa! Give him a little forehead here. On there, and then he's got his little arms here. Boop, boop. And it's a fire piece in a crystally blue, so he's got a little water spout. So he's spitting water out at you. That guy's gonna live on one of these here gears, so that he can be rotated around here. That's cute. That's cute. And let's see, what else do we got here? Little rocky outcropping. And a nice crab in there. Crab's a nice one. Yep. Rocky shore. Oops. Kidding, we lost it. There it is. How you cute. You get a good pet. You get a good pet. And let's see, we got a little how's this supposed to sit? In the middle? I'll say in the middle. Like so. Okay. Little railing here. Okay. And then we got... Okay, this is going to be where a palm tree attaches. Classic palm tree construction using this torch piece, just like how they made them back in the day. Except that now I believe all of the plant elements are made out of a plant-based plastic, which is nice. Go. It's gonna go right on here. And presto. There we go. We got our little guy can spin here. Pretty cute. Let's see, yeah. Get someone up in the crow's nest for sure. To be holding on to our other jewel here. Stand on top of that guy, and then let's get their chest on here too. Chest is up there with its gold bars. Yeah, all right. Pretty cute little set here. Definitely an enjoyable little build. Some little cuties. Let's see, did I ever? Nope, I never put away my extra pieces here. So let's go ahead and bundle up the extra pieces for this, as well as the lunar lander, real quick. Yeah, pretty cute little set. Enjoyable. Not bad for a total freebie here. Let's see. $40589. Pirate ship playground. This is how we keep all our extra pieces here. And the Lego Lunar Lander is, of course, 10266. NASA. Apollo 11. Lunar lander. Ruby. So the pirate ship playground. Get some extra pieces right here. Not a ton. Technically, one of those jewels is an extra piece, but we'll let her hang on to that for now. And this stuff goes in here. Oops. Maybe not all these guitar picks. Guitar picks are not part of this Lego set. Raiders. There we go. Perfect. Oh, a small extra piece compliment for a creator set, but it is only the little bitties, after all, that find their home there. All right. So, final thoughts about our set here. Pretty cute. Overall, you know, pretty simplistic design. Probably not going to hold on to this one forever. I kind of doubt it. I think that this even is a little simplistic to even represent a playground, kind of, in my opinion. The cosmic cardboard looks more... It's more intricate. It's more detailed in a way where, like, this stuff is so cartoony as to the point where, like, just it representing, like, a wooden construction playground, even that, to me, is kind of a stretch. So, I don't know, but hey, free Legos. Can't be mad about that. So, pretty cute little set here. We'll play out our outro here for this YouTube video. We got a cat on patrol to send us on our way. So if you're watching on YouTube, thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you in the next one here. Thanks.